if Ms. Luzage is going to appear. She typically does. Can we just trail it for a minute for her to be here? This is your motion to continue, or to stay, right?
Correct. I failed to request that when we had our hearing.
Mr. Draskovich is present. Mr. Raman is on the line. Or Blue Jeans, pardon me. All right. Mr. Draskovich, this is your
This is our request for a stay. My client would like to seek appellate review. I believe Mr. Raman is opposing our request.
He is. Mr. Raman, your opposition?
Yes, Your Honor. I believe in order for there to be a stay of proceedings to the Nevada Supreme Court, there has to be some justification demonstrated. I don't believe from what we discussed in the motion and what was produced, there is any implicit justification for doing so. Further, I think it's readily apparent from the record in this case that the defendant's primary defense strategy is to prevent this from ever going to trial. And obviously, creating a stay in this case for another crack at the Supreme Court would do just that. And I think the combination of lack of justification and the very explicit strategy of just never having this go to trial shows the court that this really should not be granted. They can appeal all they want, but I don't think they should be given a stay.
Did you want to address any of those issues?
My client has a right for appellate review, so whether Mr. Raman likes it or not, he does. So he requested I file this motion, so I filed it.
Understand. So I have reviewed State v. Robles Nieves, 129 Nevada 537, as well as all the statutes that they reference in there, including NRS 177015 and 174, 125, and I've kind of reviewed all of those things. I looked at the factors that they referenced. I'm not inclined to grant the stay. I think that if the appellate court or the Supreme Court accepts it, they can grant the stay. But I am not finding, based on the 4 factors that are listed in Robles Nieves, that you have met what I think are the requirements in order for me to grant a stay. So that stay is denied. The calendar call and jury trial dates stand in the event the Supreme Court or the appellate court grants your stay. We'll deal with it then.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Raman. If you want to prepare the order, I would appreciate it. Mr. Raman, could you hear me?
Yes, yes.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, everybody.